Hello, Stephen Knight. Welcome to our the latest instalment of our refurbishment project. Things are starting to get a bit closer to completion now, so let's take you around and show you where we are at. So this is the bedroom one. Bedroom one is all echoey because all the plastering is pretty much done, and we're entering into the decorating phase. But there's nothing obviously to absorb the echo of like carpet, furniture, things like that. So it's now got an ensuite. The ensuite's getting pretty much there. Still needs a little bit of decorating work done, so holes being filled, the woodwork being painted, but it's not too bad. You've got extractor fan all in there. If you're going to have an HMO or even any rental property, or any property at all actually, I would recommend having an extractor fan, but certainly rentals and HMOs or people will not open windows to ventilate, and you end up with mould problems. Kitchen still looks like a building site, but less so, as most of the building materials are being used now. And enter here. So like next door, this you might see some channels here. This is from with the gas pipes that were buried underneath the floor. There was a gas fire here, so this was the flue. This was a wall that we've taken out to just make the room a little bit bigger. So this will be, both of these rooms will be 2 double rooms, they'll be for single occupancy, but there'll be a double bed with standard furniture in there, so wardrobe, chest of drawers, bedside cabinet, that sort of thing. Let's have a little look upstairs. It's a bit dark. Let's turn some lights on. So the bathroom, upstairs bathroom, the main bathroom, this is going to get used by 3 people. So you can see how we've taken where the bath was, we've taken a bit out of there. It's a bit bigger than we wanted. We did want this to be smaller and this to be a bigger shower. But this is just how it's ended up. So the shower has had to be raised up a bit because we've got a toilet here. So the toilet waste needs to be taken underneath the shower, and that means the shower's had to come up a bit. So quite a bit still needs doing in here in terms of preparing it for decoration. Let's head in here. So you can see we've already seen the ensuite here. This is not in the same kind of completion as the other one. So let me a little bit. We might just be able to get in here. So the you see the toilet here. So that's taking the waste. Quite a lot of other people who do development or property investment that I've spoken to have said, yeah, you can just use a macerator, or you can use a Sanaflow or something like that. And pretty much any builder that I've ever spoken to have always warned against it. So if you can avoid it, then do, because people do chuck all sorts of things in there and they block really, really easily. That's just, I've heard it from both sides. So I've yet to put one in ourselves. So the builder's advice was to, if you can avoid it, do. So that's what we've done there, meaning the showers have to be a little bit higher. But yes, when that's finished, this will be, we'll have 5 double rooms, 2 with en-suites and 3 will be sharing a bathroom. So that's where we're at the moment. We are on course for completing in about a week's time. I think we'll see how that goes. As with all building projects, there's always things that come up. So keep posted, and we'll show you the next instalment, or hopefully completion, when it's time.